Have a seat. Jonathan McCarrish for the defense. Your Honor, opposing counsel, members of the jury, may it please the court. A cop gone rogue. Today you will hear a story about how A.V. Bancroft, the defendant, was entrapped by undercover police officer Mickey Keenan. Now, this whole story started off when Mickey Keenan first started going undercover in the Midlands Gambling Commission. When he started there, he had seen no trace of corruption in the voting process. And this was true for the first year and a half. So he decided to make corruption. His first opportunity presented itself when A.V. Bancroft was proposing to the commission a vote for a second casino. Keenan decided to meet with A.V. Bancroft's personal assistant to set up meetings between them so that way he could get close to Bancroft so he could entrap him. Now, the entirety of this case relies upon Mickey Keenan's inability to find corruption. And we, as a defense, have taken up the affirmative defense to help show you A.V. Bancroft's the victim in this. Now, what we have to prove to you today is two elements. The first element is that the government induced this heinous activity. And the second element that we have to prove is that the defendant was not predisposed to commit this criminal activity. To do this, we'll be calling three witnesses today. The first witness is Ollie Thomas. Ollie Thomas has worked for Bancroft for many years. Ollie Thomas will come before you and tell you that A.V. Bancroft is not the kind of man that would stoop so low. Ollie Thomas was there for such a long time and he never saw any criminal activity take place. The second witness that we'll call before you is J.D. Lorian. Miss Lorian is an expert when it comes to the workings of undercover operations. She will tell you that Mickey Keenan did not follow the appropriate techniques that is taught at every school that police officers are required to attend. And our third and final witness is none other than A.V. Bancroft, who will come before you and tell you that he felt forced by Mickey Keenan to bribe Chase Covington. He will tell you that he felt he had no choice in the matter. Okay. At the end of today's trial, my co-counsel, Chris Grant, will come before you and he will tell you, or he will reiterate A.V. Bancroft's innocence. And he will ask that you would find the defendant not guilty. Thank you.